1B, 1B, 30. That's why I love this braid pattern. You're gonna know what I'm talking about. Just the catch to it though. Let me explain. Right. I like this one, y'all. But the good news about that, see, this is another ram off in the other bush. My nerves was gonna be cut up. Hold on. Preface. I got my eyebrows done, micro shading, micro blading, all that good stuff. So I'm in the healing process. Don't be. I'll just tell y'all, that's why they look like this. In due time, they will be just fine. What's up, cousins? It's your girl, Mary. And oh my gosh, do I have something for you. Woo! I like this one, y'all. I like this one. I cannot wait to give the details. There are some very important details too, y'all. So just stay tuned for that. Oh. Right before I do that though, you know I gotta show love to my subscriber of the day. Bam! You the bomb. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. Join the family. Join the fun. So, to this hair. These are Knowledge Tress Poetry Bob Locks JanetCollection. And I think that's so dope because I'm a poet. Y'all may not know it, but I am. It makes sense. This is the value pack that I have. I used one of them out of here, but whatever. You get a bundle of 10 inches, a bundle of 12 inches, and a bundle of 14 inches in every pack. And there are 10 locks per bundle. So in one full pack, there are 30 locks. And I use about 5 packs. My spacing is 1 finger width apart throughout. So you would crochet your individual boxes. I have cornrows from here back. So that's when I started the 1 finger width apart. But as you see, I have 2 different colors. I have 1B and then I have OET 1B30. Gotta say the whole thing. OET 1B 30. Right. That's what I got. So I used my favorite Illusion individual braid pattern just to make it look like I have individuals. Hence the name Illusion individual. With this braid pattern, you can have a middle part, you can have a side part, you can have a deep side part, you can part to the right side, you can part to the left side, you can pull it back if you want to pull it back. It gives you options, honey. That's why I love this braid pattern. And I have a whole lot of videos, very detailed videos on the braid pattern. If you cannot cornrow, you can still do this. Just catch up on my videos, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. These poetry locks, it feels very natural. It has a very natural luster. No wig shine, y'all. You know we don't like that. Wig shine is not mine. Softness on a scale from 1 to 10 is probably about a 7. They're not supposed to be like Teddy Ruxpin soft. You know what I'm saying? You know. Now, I was not on my get it, girl, get it this time. Let me explain. Ask my cousins in the comments what the get girl get it is. They'll let you know. This is my first time using these locks and I really wanted to get a feel for it. This is very important, you guys. This is not my favorite loop, y'all. You know my favorite loop is spacey and it just snap right back. It's harder to have that kind of loop because the initial base of the lock has to be so kind of tight because the rest of it is so loose. You want to have a nice base. So I get it why it can't be super loose. I still don't like it because you can't open it enough to put your 2 fingers in to grab the end. That would be ideal for hair like this because when you use the crochet hook, you can grab this end and pull this lock through this little bitty loop. However, as you pull this through on the other end, you're going to be pulling like so. The loop is so small, you're pulling the end through, but in the process, you are changing the way that this lock looks. So ideally for butterfly locks, it's better if you can put your 2 fingers in, grab the end and just guide it through that loop without sliding the loop all the way up this lock and just changing the way that the lock looks. There is a ram in the bush, okay? And the Lord showed it to me and I'm so glad he did it because my nerves was gonna be cut up as cute as these things are. So what I did, this part that's right here up under the loop, pull it down just a little bit, y'all. Just a little bit. That will widen that loop up. Now you can fit your 2 fingers in there, right? Pull the end through, and now the loop is big enough. It's not like sucked up on the lock, so it's big enough to where the lock can just fit right through that loop without sacrificing the integrity of what the lock looks like in the first place. Did you get that? Do you see what I'm saying with it? Do you see? You see where I'm at with it? This the catch to it though. When you pull that down just a little bit, that is going to elongate the lock just a little bit. If you're going for 12 inch, you might have a 12.5 inch bob, okay? But the good news about that, see, this is another ram off in the other bush. You could cut and trim these and they do not unravel. I wanted it to be a clear bob. 12 inches is the max. That's long to me. So I did not want to use the 14 at all. However, because I have a mix, I had like 3 packs of 1B and 3 packs of OET 1B30. So I end up running out of the 12 inch 1B. Now, if I would have had all the packs of 1B, that would not have happened. So I don't want you to fret and think you're gonna, that's just because of the style that I decided to do. You know, I brought this on myself, basically is what I'm saying to you. So what I did was, this bottom part all the way around, that was the 12 inches. When I ran out, which was somewhere over here, I start using the 1B and the 14, and then I just cut it to even out with the rest of the 12. That was it. I wasn't finna stress over. Once I got finished with this bottom section, up here is all 10. So I did the whole 1B install, 10s up here, 12s down here, even though there was some 14. I cut them to 12, so they 12 now. And then once I got finished with the whole install, then that's where I put my OET 1B30s. Y'all, my eyebrows are they are like so peeling. Oh my god, this is part of the process, but I just look so crazy right now. These are very easy to distress more. If you want to add more distress to it, y'all know what I do. What I do, y'all know what I do. Just take your 2 fingers, your pointer finger and your thumb, and you wiggle, 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 hey, wiggle, 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 hey, wiggle, 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 hey, 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 hey. That's all you do. And you can distress them more. However, these came already beautifully distressed. So those are the things that I wanted to make sure that you all knew going into this style. Definitely feeling these poetry bob locks. This is right up my alley. They look very, very natural, y'all. That's what I really love about them. I'm about to go get some content. I don't want to forget anything. I don't want to forget anything. I'm going to be trying so many more different styles coming up in the next few weeks, so I'm really excited about that. But definitely big up JanetCollection on these Nala Tress poetry locks. I think they look good. I think they look good. Can y'all tell I like these? If you have any questions, let me know. Of course, I will have all the information in the description box. Make sure y'all jump on these. Yeah, y'all be sweet and be good. And in the meantime, in between time, I wish you all peace, love, and light. Bye.
Your skin, just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And with 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, yeah. You are my